Sebastian, what do you think?
I love it. I'm incredibly satisfied with the results. I didn't expect it to be this good, so I'm very, very happy with the outcome.
Today we're going to present Sebastian. He's 32 years old and had a FUE, follicular unit extraction excision to the anterior scalp. This is 6 months ago, and he's in for a routine follow-up. And we're going to show you what he looked like previously. This is what he looked like previously. You can see here he had a Norwood 4. He actually has a Norwood 5 pattern, but we transplanted the interior one half of the scalp, as you can see here. And now he comes in 6 months later. You can see the hair. Look to your right.
Look my right.
Straight and the other way. You can see here it's got extremely good density, a very natural hairline, and and you can see the extent of this is all transplanted here because he was bald here. So to this, here you can see that this is transplanted here. Okay. Sebastian, what do you think?
I love it. I'm incredibly satisfied with the results. I didn't expect it to be this good, so I'm very, very happy with the outcome. Yeah.
And it's great density for 6 months. It's only 6 months.
From my understanding, it's still going to get fuller, which is incredible for 6 months. Like I said, I'm super excited. Like my whole thought process was to get the front done, and anyone who sees me, they can't believe how full it is. So yeah, no, I'm extremely happy with it.
So natural hairline, great density.
Yep.
Especially considering it's 6 months. Even if you came back at 1 year and looked like this, I'd be very happy.
Come on.
So
no, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I'm excited about the end result.
Friends and family?
They can't believe it. Like they can't believe what it looks like. Yeah.
And your job is one where you see a lot of people.
Yep.
And how has that affected your job?
I've always been a confident guy, but this is just this extra thing that just adds to me, and I look in the mirror and I love the way I look. I feel better every day. People have commented, I'm open about it, and they're happy for me, and they think the results are incredible.
And in terms of anybody else looking to do a transplant, what would you say to them?
Bring them over here to Sure Hair, 100%, every single person.